Welcome to your new home. We are at 7306 Woodhall Court in Tampa, Florida. And I want to tell you all about this house. We're going to wander through and take a look at everything. Hopefully you notice the beautiful courtyard entrance with the wrought iron gate. So that makes it feel very private and exclusive. This is a home that was built in 1977, but you'll notice there's a lot of updates, so it does not feel like a late 70s home. We've got a beautifully updated kitchen right here. You can see we've got a nice flow through the living area with dining off of the kitchen, a back living room, and a front foyer sitting area there. So this kitchen has the wood cabinetry, it's got the granite countertops, it's got some really nice extras like pull-outs underneath in these cabinets. So you've got the easy access to your storage under your cabinets. And we've got stainless steel appliances. You do have a nice pantry here with some good shelving for your pantry storage. So very well equipped. And then we go on down the hall here. We're going to find 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, also updated. So this bathroom has a tub shower combo. One of the things I want you to notice is we've got beautiful skylights. These skylights provide that natural light, so you don't have to be using as much electricity, when you are keeping your house lit. So this is one of the 3 bedrooms. We've got ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms. The roof on this house was replaced in 2013. It is a 30-year roof, and it does have a good life left in it, so you'll be all set there. This is the 2nd bedroom. Notice it's got nice plush carpet in the bedroom, so your feet are going to be cushioned as you walk around at night. This is the master bedroom. So we've got a nice setup here where you've got a couple of different walls you could put your bed on, and then a closet with the built-in closet system for storage and organization. And again, another updated bathroom. So you do have your private ensuite bathroom. This one has a shower and the skylight as well there. The skylights are replaced at the same time as the roof, and so those are impact glass in the skylight, so you're all set with that. Now we'll take a look at the garage. We do have a 1-car garage, and it's extra deep, so you've got your laundry out here. Some extra storage, extra cabinets. Good space. And then we've got a back door to the yard. Well, I'm going to take you through the lanai. There's a screened porch, and then a very nice privacy fenced yard. So new French doors leading out to this beautiful screened porch. And hopefully you're experiencing how nice and quiet this community is. We hear the birds chirping. It's a really neat community, 12 Oaks Village. There's a lot of different style homes. So when you drive through here, you notice that you've got a nice variety. It doesn't feel like cookie cutter houses up and down the road. Good sized yard. If you like landscaping, you've got a lot you can do out here. If you have kids that want to play in the yard, you've got plenty of room for that, or the pets. So this is a really great house in Tampa. It's probably not going to last on the market long, so one thing I want to point out as well is we're very close to the airport, Tampa International Airport. We're also close to Raymond James Stadium and the beaches. So if you're wanting to live the Florida lifestyle, this one comes with a lot of convenience from location. Also, right down the street from the elementary school and from a soccer park. So if you've got the kiddos or the grandkids, this will be a great location to allow them to have a lot of activities. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to RES Luxury Group. I'm Ruth Squires. And our number is 352-794-1426.